Hey, did you know that you can add a little bit of pizzazz to your tabs? So if you have a spreadsheet in Google Sheets that has multiple tabs and you want to add a little bit of color to them to make one or two stand out, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple. So we've got my lovely Yard at Glance calendar here. You can see I have 5 different tabs, well actually 6 with my little start here, but each of them, they're kind of boring. I want to add a little bit of flavor to them. So I am going to color them. So what we're going to do is select each tab that you want to change the color of, click on the arrow, click change color, and then you can choose either the custom colors you've already put into your spreadsheet, or you can choose any here. You can also hit the plus button to add in any hex codes that you have for specific colors, but my colors are already here, so I'm just going to choose them. So as you can see, it adds a cute little pink border to it. So now I'm going to do it for year 2. I'm just going to click on the arrow, change color, and then maybe I'll do this lighter one. So year 3, we're going to do change color. Now I'm going to do my lighter green. And then I'm going to go year 4, change the color to my darker green. And then I can just repeat it as many times as I want, or I can add as many colors as I want. You might want to do different patterns. Maybe you have like a 12-month calendar, so you have 12 monthly tabs, and you can do one color for the first quarter, one color for the second quarter, another color for the third quarter, and do stuff like that. You can alternate just between 2 colors. You could do as many colors as you want. You can have a lot of fun with it. Just make sure that the colors you do choose matches with the color theme of your spreadsheet, because we do want to make sure that your spreadsheet does look beautiful and matches and it's consistent throughout. So let me just choose that one, and then maybe I will do my start here as my dark green. So as you can see, each color, it just adds a little bit of extra pizzazz to it. Like, it's not a huge thing. You don't have to do this for every spreadsheet, but I just thought it was really cute how you can match it up. And it just makes those tabs just stand out a bit easier. So that way it's not, just doesn't blend all into the background. But yeah, it's super easy. It's fun to do. Match some colors. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please follow and subscribe on YouTube, and check out some of my awesome links below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.